education, health, higher education and technical education. Speaker sir, education sector has been an outlay of rupees 4,323.98 crores and which indicates the 18.54 growth and is around 16% of the total budget size. Higher education. The total allocation of the higher education has increased to rupees 589.15 crores. Speaker sir, my government has already established Goa State Research Foundation. This foundation will address the state and global research problem and transform the research scenario of Goa, thereby encouraging the research and innovation initiatives for which the provision of rupees 5.50 crores has been made. Speaker sir, National Education Policy 2020 focuses on the holistic growth of learner where skill improvement and competency development is a part of the curriculum. For the implementation of the NEP in higher education, a provision of rupees 2.21 crore has been made. Speaker sir, to have energized and motivated faculty in the state, my government will enrichment internship program with an objective to provide the deeper understanding on the subject content and to develop effective teaching method and to build the research collaboration. Speaker sir, for courses in higher education having the employment potential, the provision of the 5 crores has been a special grant. Technical education. Speaker sir, my government has decided to implement NEP in all technical institutions in the state. The premier technical institution, Goa Engineering College, had already been accredited for all its courses along with the 2 other private engineering colleges. Other technical institutions are also being prepared to obtain the accreditation. Speaker sir, for the Diamond Jubilee, the government investment for the technical education scheme, a provision of rupees 35 crores and coding and robotic education in school, the provision of rupees 21.99 crores has been made. Speaker sir, the foundation stone for the new building of Goa College of Music, Goa College of Architecture and Goa College of Pharmacy will be laid in this financial year. School education. The total allocation of the school education has been increased by 10.53% and 2,194 crores. Speaker sir, in order to do away with the manual submission and verification of salary bills of all grant-in-aid institutions, I propose to implement fully online salary dispersal scheme named Mukhyamantri Guru Dakshina Yojana, wherein the processing of the salaries includes verification of the bill of 10,000 plus employee of GIA institutions will be totally online. Also, Konkani Marathi school who received the special grant will covered under this scheme. सभापती महोदय, 800 सरकारी मुळाव्या शाळांचो विचार जातलो आणि तातून सुमारे 150 शिक्षक कंत्राटी तत्वाची नेमणूक करतले. ही प्रक्रिया मे 2023 मेरेन सुरुवात जातली. Speaker sir, a Desh Seva oriented curriculum will be introduced in school with a special focus on national and Goan heroes. My government is also proposed to introduce Mukhyamantri Vashisht Guru Puraskar, a scheme award and teachers for the remarkable performance in overall development of the students, for which 5 lakhs has been kept. Speaker sir, to facilitate the academic excellence of gifted students from the school in Goa for all economic background, the scheme named Bahudaji Lad said scheme. Speaker sir, I propose the scheme of the reimbursement of the Goa board examination fees to ST students of standard 10th and standard 12th students, for which the provision of 92 lakhs has been made. Speaker sir, the new scheme Mukhyamantri Vidya Sahaya Yojana proposed to encourage the community and public sector participation in primary education. A financial provision of rupees 5 lakhs has been made. Further, I call upon the desired individual, association, etc. to adopt schools under Maji Shala initiatives. Speaker sir, under Balrat scheme, the grant to release for the Balrat buses proposed to be increased from 3.66 lakhs to 4.17 lakhs, considering increase in remuneration of drivers and attendants. Further, the pattern of the Bal Rath scheme will be modified to disperse the remuneration on monthly basis for the Bal Rath staff. Speaker Sir, GSIDC has taken up the repair and upgradation and maintenance and reconstruction of the various school buildings. Out of the 709 number of the schools, the total 672 number of the schools have been completed so far, including 24 number of the school during the financial year 22-23. For upgradation and renovation of the existing school, the provision of 99.30 crores has been made. Speaker Sir, repair of DIET buildings has been carried out at a cost of Rs 2 crores has been assistance from the Government of India.